Hey, what's up guys? I'm back again with another drone video. Today, I got my drone back and I'm super excited guys. I'm so hyped that I got my Phoenix drone back. I actually had problems the first time I got this drone. If you guys don't remember that, y'all can go check out my other video. This is the Phoenix drone. It's a cool little drone here. I actually seen a lot of cool videos on this drone flying, but I actually had problems with my drone the first time I actually got to fly it, but I didn't get to enjoy it. So hopefully we get to enjoy this one. And I'm gonna unbox this thing and show you guys what this thing looks like inside. So let's take a look inside of this box and let's check out this drone here. We're not gonna be able to fly it today because it's very windy outside today. Today I'm down in Pittsburgh. I'm here visiting my brother for the holidays. So I'm here in Pittsburgh and it's very windy out there and it's dark right now. So we're not gonna be able to fly this thing. So tomorrow we're gonna fly this thing and see how she flies. So today we're gonna let it charge up. So once we unboxing this thing, we're gonna charge it up. The battery actually takes like I think it was about 4 hours to fully charge up the batteries on these two batteries that comes with it. So we're gonna charge this thing up for 4 hours, let it charge up, so tomorrow we can be ready to fly this thing out. So let's unbox this thing and show you guys what it looks like. So let's open it up. I'm excited guys. I hope y'all excited with me. Ooh, I see this carbon fiber case. This cool little case right here that it comes with. Carbon fiber, baby. And it's very lightweight, heavy duty. And if you guys haven't seen my last video, it's actually gonna be the same thing, unboxing it, but we actually gonna get to fly this thing. Not today, but tomorrow we're gonna fly it. So stay tuned to the end of this video and we're gonna fly this drone. It's gonna be tomorrow, but not tomorrow to y'all guys. So stay tuned and we're gonna fly this thing tomorrow. And this is the front of the box. Show you guys what that looks like real close up. This is the side of the box where they fold it up. That's how it looks when you close it. And this is the other side here. Explaining to you about the camera and stuff like that. And this is the back here. And now let's get to the good stuff. Inside this carbon fiber case here. The drone. Find this over to open it. Hear that sound? Sounds of happiness. We got our drone back, so you know these films gonna come out crazy. So hopefully this thing flies right and we get some cool films for y'all guys. So let's show y'all guys what this thing has to bring inside. Here goes the drone. Wow. So this is the cool drone here. You can open these things up here. And this is what it looks like without the battery. It's a cool drone here. Got a nice little camera here with a nice little stabilizer to keep stuff a little bit steady when it's in the air, when it's flying. This actually got some good camera. Got HD. I think it has if I'm not mistaken, let me check on this. It just says HD video, so I think it was like a 1080p. I think was the recording on it. But it does have some good recording. I see some cool videos on YouTube about this thing flying. So we're gonna fly ours, and I'm show you guys our film and show you guys how this thing flies and show you what it looks like with the videos from that. So let's finish unboxing this thing. Get y'all guys closer. This is what it looks like inside. Comes with 2 batteries. One battery here. The drone, put it right here down. This is the battery for the drone. We actually clip this onto the back of this, and this is what it looks like with the battery on. So that's cool. And let's check out the control here. It's the control, guys. Kind of looks like it's used. It's already have a couple scratches on here, which y'all can see on there. This is my first time unboxing this thing, and yeah, I'm a little upset. I actually bought this drone new. I didn't buy a used drone, so why do I have scratches? Especially if the drone the first time wasn't my fault, where I got messed up. It's having some difficulties. It was just flying all crazy. I haven't tried stopping it. See these little sensors in the bottom? These little sensors, you're supposed to put your hands on them, it's supposed to shut the drone off. Or if you flip it upside down, it's supposed to shut the drone off. Or if you tilt it sideways, it's supposed to shut the drone off. Well, my old drone wasn't doing none of that. I actually shut the control off by the power button that's on the control. This little button here, I actually shut this thing off, and the drone was still going crazy. Like, these propellers was flying out of control. I had to actually flip this thing upside down and stick it into the floor like this, into the dirt. Just going crazy, and it was like a nightmare that day. I actually got cut messing with this thing, so hopefully we don't deal with that with this one. So hopefully we don't gotta deal with it. And let's finish checking out this box in here. It's another little charger here. I mean, this is the charger that charges the battery. So you gotta put the battery onto there to charge that. This is like a screwdriver in there, and that's to change the propellers and stuff. Because it actually comes with a box here of new propellers, and it comes with the wire also for the charger. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Inside this little zipper here, there's actually some instructions and stuff here. So there's a couple of instructions here, the book for the drone. So if you need to know anything about this drone, this book right here will tell you. But it's a lot of reading. Nobody reads books no more. Everybody goes straight to onto YouTube and find things out from there. So guys, we're gonna check this thing out tomorrow. So this is what this thing looks like. It's actually not gonna be tomorrow to y'all guys, but to me it's gonna be tomorrow. So I'll see y'all guys in a few minutes, and we're gonna fly this thing out. So I'm gonna let this thing charge up. It's gonna take me 4 hours to charge this thing up, so I'm gonna let it charge up, and I'll see y'all guys once I get out there and fly this thing. So show you guys what the film looks like, the video's quality on this thing looks like, and yeah, hopefully she flies good, and hopefully we have a good time, and we get some cool films out there. We in Pittsburgh, so hopefully we get some cool little sights around this area here. So this is my Phoenix drone, and I'm happy I got it back. So let's see how this thing works. Hey guys, today we're gonna give this thing a try. So just try out this Phoenix drone and let's give it a test. We right here in the Philadelphia section now. When we first started interviewing this video about this drone here, we was in Pittsburgh, but the weather was over there. It was very windy and it was very cold. So today we're gonna test this thing out in the Philadelphia section. So let's give it a try for the first time. I'm actually gonna get to fly it and really get to review this thing. So let's test this cool little thing out. You guys see that cool little camera, and this thing is very cool, very lightweight. It does have a little weight to it, but it's not very heavy, but it's real good. Let's give it a try. And we're getting it started now. You guys can see that thing starting up right there. Let me put this camera a little lower so you guys can see it. And we're about to take off with this thing. So to start it back up again. And there she goes, back on. And let's take off. You guys see it? It's floating right there, right next to us. Walk around and show you guys what that looks like. This is the camera view. That's the truck that just passed by me. So I'm gonna go right here. I'm trying to do this with one hand. Picture there. I'm trying to find a way back out here. Now we're gonna record, so she's flying up. We'll go up there. Show you guys what it looks like from that thing. So let's get recording on that. So let's see how it records and how it looks with the recording. So let's take this thing up a little bit. A nice little look all around. Smooth little turn. Got doing real smooth. So. See the city right there. See the bridge. The thing is It's up there. It's kind of high too. It actually go higher. Bring it back down. So we're gonna take this thing back to the house and put this all these little clips from it onto the computer. I don't know if y'all guys can see me right there, but let me actually take the camera down. There it goes right there. Y'all guys see us right there. Y'all see it. Once we get home, we're gonna edit this thing and see what it looks like. But this thing just floating really good. It's a little bit wind out here. It's not too windy. It's probably like about 5 miles wind gust right now. So this thing's coming out really good. Looks like it's recording everything really good from what I'm seeing on here on the camera as we're looking at stuff on the camera on the phone. And I got this return home button, so that's it. So we're gonna go see what this thing looks like once we put it on the computer, and hopefully it records clear, because it's gonna be our new little drone flying around and enjoying it in the middle of the woods. Get some nice little clips out there in the nature, and yeah. So that was a nice little control. Let's do it one more time. See how if it still flies nice and good with a takeoff. So let's try it off one more time with a takeoff. So let's go. Starting it up. Let's get this thing started. I don't know why it's acting out right now, but it's gonna get. I'm gonna do something wrong here. Battery must be low, but it's acting up right now. Let's take off with it again. Look at those nails are. Let's go. Back up. I'll be used to this control here, so I'm not really used to this thing. I definitely gotta get used to it, get a hang of it, but this thing's very cool. I'm gonna take it out a little bit further out. You guys can see it over there. It's all the way over there. Now we're gonna bring it back to us. See it up there? And bring it back down. Bring it down right around here. Yeah guys, this is a cool drone here. I recommend this drone if anybody want to get a cool little drone for a good price. This drone was only $250 at a local Walmart, and yeah, this is the Phoenix drone. It's a very good drone, and we're gonna see once we get home how this recording really is, and you guys gonna see also. So this is a cool control it comes with here. You can mount your phone right on top of it. This is my iPhone, and it sits there nice and perfectly fine. I had to take the case out because it was a little bit tight with the case, so it kept slipping out. So once you take the case out of your phone and you put it on there, it actually holds your phone very good. But this is the Phoenix drone, and nothing but good reviews so far about it. So let's go edit this video and see what it looks like.